Hello and welcome back to another Discovery 2 video, and just want to show you something in case you own one of these. So this is the inner wheel trim that goes onto there. It's got bolts and three Torx bolts and some like plastic clips that press into these, and then it goes onto this bit which is normally facing up. So normally this, you see a bit of corrosion along here, you can treat that easily, but all this is all hiding behind here. See? So definitely something to look out for and sort out. So what I'll do is I'll take all this corrosion off, treat it with some rust stuff, and paint it up, and hopefully that'll save it rather than this coming down here and this footwell going in as well. Clean this up as well here. So after I've got it all off with a wire wheel, drill wire brush, most of it's solid. That bit isn't. But here, not good. So that's what's hiding underneath it. The main wiring loom here. Not the best place, to be honest, but there we go. Something to definitely check or repair if you've got one.